Physics isn't just complex numbers and formulas. It's a wealth of wisdom that can help us live better lives. The principles of physics offer incredible insights into personal growth and self-improvement. Understanding these laws is crucial for your life. For years, I've been intrigued by how physics concepts can apply to our daily lives. Let's explore how these ideas can help us design a productive and fulfilling life. Newton's first law of motion, or law of inertia, states that objects stay in their current state unless acted upon. This principle serves as a powerful metaphor for human behavior. Often the hardest part of any endeavor is just getting started. Whether it's beginning a project, changing a habit, or pursuing a goal, the initial step requires overcoming inertia. Recognizing this common challenge can make it easier to deal with. Sometimes, a small action is all it takes to shift from inactivity to motion. Once you've taken the first step, the law of inertia works in your favor. After starting, you may find it easier to maintain momentum. Keep moving forward using the energy and progress you've generated to reach your goals. The law of parsimony, often called Occam's razor, suggests that the simplest explanation is usually correct. We can apply this principle to our lives as a guide for simplifying and decluttering. Life can be complex, with endless choices and commitments. Occam's razor suggests simplifying goals, routines, and possessions. This can lead to clearer focus and easier prioritization. Simplifying isn't just about physical decluttering. It also means reducing mental and emotional complexities. This can improve decision-making and reduce stress. It often results in a more peaceful existence. When making choices, avoid overcomplicating matters. Focus on essentials and let parsimony guide you to straightforward decisions. Achieving balance is crucial for mental, emotional, and physical health. This principle applies to personal life as much as scientific contexts. Finding equilibrium between work, leisure, and self-care prevents burnout. It's a dynamic process requiring constant adjustment. This reflects the changing nature of life and priorities. Seeking balance isn't weakness, it's a proactive step towards fulfillment. It allows effective allocation of resources across all areas of life. Newton's third law states that for every action, there's an equal opposite reaction. This physics principle serves as a powerful life metaphor. Our actions have consequences, both positive and negative. Understanding this can help us make more thoughtful decisions. It encourages consideration of potential outcomes before acting. This awareness can lead to more intentional and responsible behavior. It reminds us that our choices impact ourselves and others. By recognizing this, we can create more positive interactions and outcomes. The ripple effect of our actions in life teaches us to be mindful. Our words, decisions, and behaviors impact both our surroundings and ourselves. Before acting, pause to consider potential outcomes. This reflection helps choose actions leading to positive reactions for others and ourselves. Recognizing that every action has a reaction encourages responsible behavior. By anticipating the impact of our actions, we can create positive change and avoid unintended harm. The law of entropy reveals that systems naturally progress towards disorder over time. Without intervention, our personal and professional environments become increasingly chaotic. To counteract this tendency, set clear goals. Specific objectives provide direction, making it easier to focus efforts on what truly matters. Stay organized to reduce stress and improve productivity. Use tools that work for you, whether digital apps or traditional planners. Periodically declutter your space and thoughts. Clear out physical items and reevaluate priorities to refresh your mindset. This creates room for new growth and opportunities. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can't be created or destroyed, only transformed. This principle underscores the importance of managing and directing our energy effectively. In our daily lives, we must recognize that our energy is a finite resource. By channeling it into productive and positive activities, we can maximize our potential for personal growth. Our energy, whether physical, emotional, or mental, has the power to change our reality. Using it for actions that match our values ensures its transformative power is used wisely. Wave-particle duality in physics shows that particles can act like waves or particles. This serves as a metaphor for the complexity of life experiences and human behavior. Just as particles aren't fixed in nature, life and people are multidimensional. This concept teaches us valuable lessons. We should embrace complexity and understand that situations and people have many layers. What seems simple at first may reveal hidden depths upon closer inspection. Keeping an open mind allows us to explore various aspects of life and people. It encourages us to avoid hasty judgments and remain curious about discovering more. The multifaceted nature of reality reminds us of the value diversity brings to our lives. Each viewpoint and experience adds richness to our understanding of the world. Newton's law of gravitation describes the attraction between objects with mass. This idea can be compared to the pulls we feel in our personal quests towards our goals. It's crucial to identify the forces that draw us towards our objectives. Life is full of forces that push and pull us. Some drive us toward our dreams, while others hold us back. These forces can be people, habits, or mindsets. Once you spot them, you can focus your efforts wisely, boost the positive forces and reduce the negative ones. Seek out supportive environments and relationships. Distance yourself from those that hinder your progress. Staying grounded in our values is like gravity keeping us on Earth. It helps us navigate life with integrity. Be true to yourself and stay humble. Keep sight of what really matters to you. In physics, momentum stays constant in a closed system. This idea applies to our personal and work lives too. We need to keep moving forward. Set goals, take action, and keep learning. The momentum we build helps us overcome obstacles. It guides us through tough times. The energy you put into your goals adds up. It creates a force that moves you forward. Apply yourself consistently. This builds positive momentum that carries you closer to success. Even when things get hard, your momentum helps you push through. In physics, the laws are the same for all non-accelerating observers. This idea shows us that life is often subjective. What seems fast to one person might feel slow to another. Our experiences shape how we see the world. Remember that your view isn't the only one. Be open to other perspectives. This can lead to better understanding and growth. Our experiences and truths are like the laws of physics. They remain consistent across different frames of reference and motion. Yet our understanding of truth and meaning can vary greatly based on our personal perspectives. There's rarely a one-size-fits-all truth in the complexities of human life. To live a fulfilling life, it's crucial to identify your own frame of reference. This means understanding your core values, goals, and priorities. What do you stand for? What are you striving towards? What matters most to you? By answering these questions, you can navigate life in a way that aligns with your deepest beliefs. Once you've established your frame of reference, strive to align your actions and decisions with it. This alignment ensures that your life truly reflects who you are and what you believe in. In quantum mechanics, the Heisenberg uncertainty principle states that we can't determine both position and momentum of a particle with absolute precision. This principle reflects a fundamental aspect of the natural world. Just as in quantum physics, life is filled with uncertainties and ambiguities. Trying to have all the answers or predict every outcome can lead to frustration and anxiety. Embrace the unknown as an integral part of the human experience. It's okay not to have all the answers. This openness can lead to growth, discovery, and the flexibility to adapt to change. The act of seeking understanding, even without clear answers, is a valuable journey. It encourages learning, growth, and the development of resilience. Embracing uncertainty allows you to navigate life with curiosity and openness. Curiosity and openness are key to forging a unique and adaptable path in life. Embrace the journey as your own, recognizing that it can change and evolve over time. Quantum entanglement describes particles that remain interconnected despite distance. This concept resembles the deep connections we share with others in our lives. Our relationships can profoundly impact us, regardless of physical proximity. The values and behaviors of those close to us can influence our own in subtle ways. It's crucial to choose our social circle wisely. Seek relationships that uplift, support, and challenge you to grow. Surround yourself with people who reflect your aspirations and the life you want to lead. Remember that relationships are reciprocal. You influence others just as they influence you. Strive to be a positive force within your network. Encourage growth, kindness, and support among those around you. Your actions can create a ripple effect of positivity. The law of reflection, known from light bouncing off mirrors, offers an analogy for self-reflection. Our actions and attitudes are often mirrored back to us through others' responses. Regular self-reflection helps us learn from experiences. We can understand what works well and what doesn't. This introspection allows us to refine our actions and mindset. Think of it as adjusting a mirror to reflect light more effectively. By examining our choices and their outcomes, we can make better decisions in the future. Approach life with a willingness to learn and adapt. Self-reflection is a powerful tool for personal growth and understanding. Use it to navigate life's challenges and opportunities. Positivity, kindness, and empathy are qualities likely to be reflected back to you by others. By embodying the traits you admire, you can positively influence your environment and relationships. This creates a cycle of goodwill and understanding. Which of these laws resonates with you the most? Are there any important ones I may have missed? I hope you've gained some valuable insights today. Wishing you a wonderful day ahead.